Every time a new client fills out your onboarding questionnaire, someone has to read it, pull out the important details, and write up a project brief before the kickoff call. That work is real. It takes real time, and n8n can do it for you automatically. n8n is a visual automation tool that connects the apps you already use. You build workflows by arranging boxes called nodes on a canvas, and each node does one specific job. Every workflow starts with a trigger, something that tells n8n to begin. After the trigger fires, each node runs in order, passes its result to the next node, and the chain keeps moving until the job is done. Here is a real example built around client onboarding. A new client fills out your questionnaire in Typeform and hits submit. That submission is the trigger. n8n picks it up instantly. The first node pulls every field from the form, the business name, the industry, the goals, the pain points, all of it. The second node sends that raw information to an AI agent node. You give the agent a clear instruction. Read these answers. Identify the 3 to 5 most important business goals. Note any constraints the client mentioned, and write a structured project brief in a professional tone. The agent does exactly that. The third node takes the finished brief and drops it directly into a new Notion page or a new Google Doc, already named and organized, ready for your review before the call even starts. What used to take 30 minutes of reading, thinking, and typing now happens in under a minute without anyone touching it. n8n connects to hundreds of apps and tools your business already runs on. It works around the clock, not just during business hours. And because you host it yourself or on n8n's own cloud, you own the workflow and the data. You do not need to build dozens of automations at once. Start with one. Pick the one that causes the most friction every single week and remove it. If you want this kind of automation running inside your business, PRISC Group builds it and runs it for you. See if a pilot is a fit at priscgroup.com. Follow PRISC Group for more real automation builds. Automate relentlessly, ruthlessly.